Hi Joanna, thank you. Good afternoon. It has been a pretty wet Wednesday so far for many. We've had some heavy rain pushing northwards and eastwards across the UK. That was the soggy scene for a weather watcher in Cornwall earlier on. And there is some more heavy rain to come at times through the rest of this week and indeed, of course, the rest of the year. It will often be windy, cold enough for some snow over hills in the north, but much of what has been falling from the sky today has been rain. The radar picture shows just how wet it has been.
Hello there, good afternoon. It's very unsettled, wet and windy for much of the rest of the week across the capital and consequently for the rest of the year as well. And we've already seen some outbreaks of rain so far this morning, as you can see from our weather watcher photos here. It's a very windy day, gusts of wind of around 40 miles an hour. That wind just strengthening as we head towards the end of the afternoon.
Hi there, Hugh. Good evening, everybody. Well, I'm sure it's probably not going to come as a surprise to hear that it looks likely now that 2022 is shaping up to be the warmest on record. Despite that little blip that we had at the beginning of December, it's not going to be enough. So this has to obviously be confirmed, but that looks likely to be the truth. Now, over the next few days, we keep that milder weather, but it is going to be pretty unsettled to close out the year, I'm afraid. There will be spells of heavy rain and the wind's really quite a feature.
Hello there, good evening. No doubt you've been seeing the news about the big freeze in the United States and Canada. Well, it's actually impacting our weather. This big temperature differential is actually driving the jet stream. And instead of that big kink that we had that gave us our little cold freeze, we've actually got all the Atlantic lows coming across towards us, bringing us bands of rain from time to time, some stronger winds, but actually fairly mild.
Good evening. Today's cloudy and damp weather will be replaced by something brighter tomorrow. Sunny spells, but still some showers, and it is going to be windy.
Hello, a very good evening to you. Heavy rain pushing its way northwards over the last few hours. And for many of us today, relatively mild conditions. But tomorrow will feel colder across the board. And the unsettled theme continues weather-wise through the rest of this week and into next, with rain turning wintry up on higher ground.